Okay, guys, in this particular video, we're going to talk about the actual big banner ads capture page redirect strategy. Okay, in the last video, I showed you guys how to use the big banner ads marketing the strategy to redirect those banners straight to your instant recalls replicated website. So in essence, I showed you guys how to use these banners and redirect them straight to your instant recalls bridge page. That example was without a capture page. In this particular video, guys, I'm going to show you guys the actual strategy that we're going to use when we want to start building a list. And that doesn't just pertain to instant recalls. This pertains to anything that you want to market and promote using the big banner ads marketing strategy. Now, we're going to use this strategy, and I'm letting you guys know that this is the capture page strategy. It's the big banner ads marketing strategy, capture page strategy. Now, why would you want to use a capture page when you're implementing the big banner ads marketing strategy? When you're using a capture page, you can start collecting leads, right? You can still start positioning yourself in front of that same audience of people or potential prospects, but as opposed to just having them go straight and directly to your instant recalls replicated website or any website for that matter, instead of having people go straight to the site, although you can do it that way, particularly because of the amount of traffic that are going to be able to actually start generating using the big banners marketing strategy. But why not build a list? Okay, because when you start using capture pages, now you can collect leads, and when you can collect leads, you can start building a list, and when you can start building a list, then guys, you can continue to correspond with the people that are coming onto your list via what we're going to talk about later on in the automated marketing systems portion of your 1 million ways to market, email follow-ups, okay? Building a list, having what we call a contact management system, an autoresponder that's going to automatically drip email messages on those potential prospects inside of the list that you're starting to build, okay? If that makes sense. If it doesn't, don't worry, guys. Follow along in the videos because I'm going to walk you guys through all of these processes. But right now, let's talk about using the big banner ads capture page strategy. So we're going to back over to our actual banners where we can actually get those banners. You guys have a page where we can do this now. And now in this example, guys, we're going to use these same banners that we used in the last video to redirect straight to the instant recalls bridge page, right? The replicated website that I gave you, and we're going to redirect to an actual capture page. Now, you may not have a capture page. Don't worry. I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself some really inexpensive capture pages. Not just one. I'm going to show you guys how you can create multiple capture pages if that's your desire. That's if you desire to start building a list, which in my mind is the smartest way to go about building a business. Any type of business for anything that you want in any niche across any platform. Now, here we go. I'm going to click on the same banners. They're all connected now to a capture page. I'm going to simply click the banner and it's going to take me over to an actual capture page in this example. Unlike the last example where I redirected straight to the actual bridge page, your replicated website, hopefully now you have it, we're redirecting to an actual capture page. Again, the power and the importance is now you're able to connect the names and or email addresses. On the other side of this actual capture page is the actual landing page, your bridge page for the instant recalls website. So now rather than directing straight to the bridge page, I'm actually redirecting to a capture page that's going to enable me to start building a list. And I'm doing it through the simple, awesome power of banner advertising. Guys, when I tell you you can get leads every single day for pennies on the dollar, you can do it. You can actually, do this using these banner ads. You guys have seen the videos we're going through. You understand. And I'm going to show you guys that example one more time. So now you understand that when we talk about the big banner ads marketing strategy, you can use this strategy with or without a capture page. In the video above, we talked about doing it without a capture page. In this video, I'm going to click and we're talking about doing it with a capture page, which is the preferred way that I like to do it. And ultimately, guys, the way you're going to want to do it, because by doing it this way, you can start building your own list. So I hope that that makes sense. I hope that you guys are excited. I hope you guys are in a place where you're ready to start building your own capture pages, right? You don't have to, but I hope that you are, because using the big banner ads marketing strategy, you can create and multiple campaigns, guys. Remember, you can create as many capture pages as you want to go out and market as many products and services as you want. Hint, I don't advise you doing that if you're brand new. Stay focused, promote one thing at a time. You don't have to build multiple lists. You can build one list and promote multiple products and services. We're going to cover it inside the 1 Million Ways to Market, marketing strategies, resources, and training. So you guys get to see all of that. So if you're really excited and you're ready to go it on, guys, and start using the big banner as marketing strategies to start driving traffic either with or without a capture page, and positioning yourself in front of this vast, massive audience of tens of thousands of people that you can start marketing any product and any service to. We're using the instant recalls in these examples just to keep it streamlined. I appreciate you guys being on the video so very much, and I will meet you guys in the next video.